Good morning, students. This is Kumud Parashar from KB CRPF Mukama Ghat. Today we will discuss about the topic corrosion. We must have observed that iron articles are shiny when new, but when they left over for some time, there comes a coating with a reddish brown powder. This process is commonly known as rusting of iron. Some other metal also get tarnished in this manner. We also have noticed the color of coating formed on the copper and silver articles. So, it is a type of damage caused to metals due to the reaction of metals with oxygen, moisture, and carbon dioxide. So, corrosion is defined as when a metal is attacked by substances around it, such as moisture, acids. It is said to be corrode, and this process is called corrosion. Example of corrosion is formation of brown coating of rust over iron, formation of green coating of basic copper carbonate over copper, formation of black coating of silver sulfide over silver. Corrosion causes the damage to the metals. So, we have to remove or prevent corrosion by different methods. First, we will perform an activity to show that air and moisture are necessary for the rusting of iron. Take 3 test tubes, mark them 1, 2, 3, and put iron nails in each of them. Put some anhydrous calcium chloride in test tube 1 to absorb moisture. Anhydrous calcium chloride is used to absorb moisture inside the test tube. Pour some boiled distilled water in test tube 2 and pour some oil over it to prevent air into the test tube. Oil cut the contact of oxygen into the water in test tube 2. Pour some water in test tube 3. Cork the test tubes and leave them for a few days. The nail in test tube 1 does not get rusted because it has only air and no water, because moisture is absorbed by the anhydrous calcium chloride in test tube 1. The nails in test tube 1 do not get rusted. The nails in test tube 2 does not rust because it has only water and no air. Oil get cut off the presence of air in test tube 2. And the nails in test tube 3 get rusted because it had air and water. So, this proves that air and moisture are necessary for rusting of iron. Prevention of corrosion. Corrosion of metals can be prevented by applying oil or grease, applying paint by galvanization, that is coating with zinc, by tinning, coating with tin, by electroplating, coating a less reactive metal like chromium, by alloying, that means making alloy. Thank you.